Trying to intro my vlog.
What do you mean?
Say welcome
To Friday vlog.
Hi everyone, it is Monday and we're back at our little coffee shop in Loughborough because we're filming again, so we thought we'd come back, get a quick coffee and a quick little snack and then go film. So cute here. This is like their little outdoor patio section. What's up everyone? We just finished filming another video. As you can hear, Mikey is still running around. I'm trying not to get smashed with the ball, but I'm just enjoying this sun. It's so nice and sunny, so trying to get my tan on. Yeah, it's so nice. So that's what we're up to right now. Look at how fast my hair has already grown out. Like, I don't know if you can see that, but my highlights are already like an inch away from my face. I'm hoping that me being in the sun a lot is gonna help it stay light. Don't know really how that works. Hi. Mikey says hi.
Bob, what do you think about this?
Yusuf F. Knocking the ball around really nicely. He's got a fly strain or something.
Don't even. Yeah, they're good, aren't they, Bob? Put it in, man! Do you not have YouTube? It's an app. Go to YouTube, 7MLC, type it in, loads of shooting tutorials, put it in the back of the net, mate. It's simple, 5 steps. Oh, gosh.
So close. Phew. Open your eyes, come out from behind the sofa. Tunisia 1. England 2.
England have won their opening match at 2018 World Cup. A hug for.
What's up everyone? It is Tuesday. We're up and at 'em early this morning. The sun is out. We are at a soccer field. What a surprise! Doing some filming this morning. And I'm not sure what we'll get up to the rest of the day. But we'll see. So Mikey's doing like a training session. It's like a circuit, and I was like, oh, I could do that. I'm gonna do 1 round. He did 3. And I'm so dead. But this is a fun part. I'll show you. I already did it full speed, so this is just half speed for demonstration, of course. I'm not sure what my hair is doing, but ignore that. Ready? I think I have to be running full speed for it to fly up in the air like a real parachute. But yeah, I'm not doing that again. Bye. Bye! This is really what I'm here for. The swing. You guys remember the time when your butt wasn't too big to fit in the swing? And this chain thing didn't like cut off your butt circulation. Me too. What a good time. The glory days. Just a grown person that loves the swings, okay? And yes, after about 10 minutes I do get very swing sick, but let me enjoy it while I still can, while my butt's not too big to fit. Ugh. I'm already getting sick. It's only been like 4 minutes. Can't hang. Here he is.
Melon. Melon man.
The melon man himself. So we keep getting these little spiders everywhere. Like, you'll just be walking and one will be on your face, crawling up your shirt, crawling up your arm, like seen here. They're everywhere. Hey, little friend. They're nice. Kitty. Oh, hi.
Crawler.
Who's that? Who's there? Who's there? Just got home from the field and I've been craving like pancakes or something sweet like all week. It's really bad. But I figured I would try and make like a little bit of a healthier French toast. So I'm just combining almond milk, vanilla, cinnamon, and some flax seeds to like give it a little bit of thickness. And then I'm just gonna throw them on the griddle over there and see what happens. So let's do it. I go hard on the cinnamon. It's not French toast unless there's a ton of cinnamon in it, you know? Look at these babies cooking up. Nice and golden. Ooh, that one's a bit bubbly. Looks pretty good. How much does it weigh?
75 pounds, babe.
What do you have in there?
75 pounds.
Bob?
75 pounds of weight.
If your name is Bobby and you are a cutie, come on, raise your hand. Raise it. So I just woke up. As you can tell, I'm dead. But I made some chai tea and I think I'm gonna make some avocado toast because there's some ripe avocados that I want that need to get used. Orders up, avocado toast, chai. Do you need your order, Bob? The secret to any good avocado toast, in case you didn't know, is obviously a lot of salt, chili pepper flakes, you need that, and lemon or lime juice squeezed over top. That's just how it's the best. I have this urge that I really want to make donuts. I saw a girl that I follow on Instagram. She made some vegan donuts, and now I want to make vegan donuts. Anytime I see anything online, pizza, donuts, I'm like, I want that right now. I'm sure everyone's like that. But I really want donuts. I feel like these vlogs are slowly turning into just what I eat. And is that okay? I guess that I like to document what I eat. It's just who I am, you know? Let me be me. Let me drink my tea. Thanks, bye, gonna eat. Uh-oh, guys. I did a thing. I really wanted to make donuts, and I did. And they look so good, and they're just little tiny guys. They're like probably, well, you can tell. They're little. And they're healthy because I baked them. And they're vegan. But gosh, I need to go for a run now or something. Want to try one?
Small touches when you find it on the ground make a difference, but I think in the
Careful, because it might be a bit frosty.
Yummy.
That's not a critique.
Quite scony.
Quite scony. Because I baked them.
How do I work this bird? So much work at first it goes. How should I work this bird?
We got out for a nice little walkie. So nice out.
The further you go. Go take a
Yeah, it's just mostly film. Like most of these are film cameras. I mean, those two aren't. They're digital. Those two are digital.
Yeah.
But like all the rest are film. Like if it was up to me, I'd have all of these downstairs.
Just out.
I think it's just so cheap. You can just find them anywhere. Do you know what I
Yeah,
mean?
they're at like vintage.
That's a family, yeah?
That's
Just
why
like
you
raid the Cocoa
babysat.
Pops. No, obviously I would be at Leo. Because here, when we do sleep at, like, I'd sleep at Leo's for like the whole weekend. You don't just like come
Right.
for the night and leave in the, like, I'm there Friday after school till like Sunday night. Sometimes go to school with him on Monday. So like if he's babysitting, I'm there. It's just like dinner hall on the left.
Yeah.
Go through those doors. Then it's
Down that corridor is maths, isn't it?
upstairs was I had oh yeah.
upstairs is maths. No,
Then-
actually.
keep on walking that line, a fine line between a wrong and a right. You get your
Show us around your new crib. MTV crib. So here we have bedroom 1. As you can see, beautiful double bed.
Ooh.
A little bit of bunk bed action.
I like
That's what we're
that.
talking about. A couple of big windows.
Nice lamp action.
Yes, definitely. Moving on to boudoir 2. Again, fitted with a double bed. Lovely. How's it feel? Another bunk. Couple of bunks.
Super cute.
Super, super. And then bathroom number 1. Standard. Yeah, bit of shower action in there.
Oh, I forgot to leave my door open.
Bathroom number 2. Just used it. It's working fine. Yeah, fresh. Fresh use. Bedroom number 3.
Oh, this is cute.
2 doubles. And a bit of a
Ooh,
garden view, this one.
So lovely.
Yeah, and then if we shift you on into the kitchen. Kitchen / diner / living area. Hi, welcome to Go Shop Dreams.
Whoa! Wow, look at you! Stocked up. And then we
And you
have.
got water. I love your American accent. Where's it from? Outside needs a bit of trimming. Texas.
And then we've got the smoker's field. The smoker's field. Is this like the
We've got
okay.
Black Forest.
Hey! That is what it is. Oh, a little bit of cool.
nights are long since you went away. How I think about you all through the day. My buddy, nobody quite so true. I miss your voice and the touch of your hands. I long to know that you understand. My buddy, your buddy misses me.
Good morning, everyone. It is Monday, and I have my nice big green smoothie going on right here. I just wanted to recap the last couple days because I think I just filmed footage and didn't really say anything. But we were up in Manchester for Vic's hen do, which is like the UK version of a bachelorette party, I guess, and it was so fun. Lots of good times, lots of fun girls, good to meet some new peeps. But yeah, so we went out to a couple places and like hung out at this really nice apartment in Manchester, which you'll see. But yeah, that's basically it. Thanks for watching last week's video.